Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to see 5th Standard Social Science, Term 3, Forts and Palaces, long question answers. So the questions are there in page number 122. So these are the three questions we have to describe in detail. So what are those three questions? Describe the structure of the Vellore Fort. Second one, write about Dindigul Fort. And third one, describe the architecture and various sections of Vatmanabapuram Palace. So in this presentation, we are going to see only the first question. Describe the structure of the Vellore Fort. So this is the Vellore Fort. First, you have a mental picture of the Vellore Fort. See, I have gone there. I have gone inside. I have visited this fort several times. See, if you get a chance, you also can go to Vellore and visit this fort. Okay, now we are going to study in detail about this Vellore Fort. So there are three categories here. So general, so how we have to describe uh, about this Vellore Fort generally. Okay, where it is. Okay, who built it, like that. Then inside, what all the things are there. Inside the fort, what all the things are there. And the last one, there are various mahals inside the fort. And what are they? We have to learn all of them. Okay, now let us see the general things about Vellore Fort. So first of all, first we have to bring this Vellore Fort into our mind. Most invincible fort. Nobody can overcome or defeat the people inside. So this is an invincible fort. So invincible means what? Cannot be beaten. Then moat. What is moat? Moat means a deep well. See, you can see lots of water around that fort, isn't it? It is very deep, and this is the home for lots of crocodiles. More than 1,000 crocodiles were living there. So this is the home of more than 1,000 crocodiles. Then feared by raiders. So since there are crocodiles, lots of crocodiles, thousands of crocodiles in the moat. So the raiders means what? The enemies who were raiding the fort. They were all feared because of the crocodiles in the moat. So they may be killed by the crocodiles. Not one or two, thousands of crocodiles were there. Therefore, the raiders were feared of raiding the fort. Military architecture. So it is an example of military architecture. And double fortifications. So inside and outside. Inside it will be a form, and outside it will be in another form. There are double fortifications. And then what is a temple inside? That is called Jalagandeshwara temple. Jalagandeshwara temple. Jala means water. Okay. Jalagandeshwara temple. You can easily remember it now. And what are the other things present inside the Vellore Fort? There are churches, there are mosques, museums, and government offices. So these are the various things present inside. So there is a temple, there is a church, there is a mosque, there is museum, and there are several government offices. So what is the name of the temple inside? Even you can see that tower of the Chalagandeshwara temple at the back of this Vellore Fort. Can you see that? Okay. So it is there at the back of this Vellore Fort. Okay. So these are the various things present inside. Now, what are the various mahals inside? Tippu Mahal, Tippu Sultan, you might have heard. He was house arrested and kept in this fort only. So Tippu Mahal, and then Hyder Ali Mahal, that is Hyder Mahal, and then Begum Mahal, and then Badusha Mahal, and the last one Kandy Mahal. So there are five Mahals inside this Vellore fort. How can you remember these five Mahals inside? Tippu, Hyder, Begum, Badusha, Kandy. See, when I studied, this is how I remembered. So Tipu Sultan hide Begum in the Mahal. Tipu Sultan hide. So hide means I can get the name Hyder Ali, Hyder Mahal. Tipu hide whom? Begum. Where? In the Mahal. So Tipu hid Begum in the Mahal and gave her Badusha and candy. So Badusha is a sweet, am I right? So candy means sweet. So Badusha candy. So Badusha sweet. Okay, Tipu hid Begum and gave her Badusha candy. If you remember like this, it will be easy to remember the names of the Mahal inside the Vellore fort. Hope it's very clear to you. So now let us try to recap all the points what we learned. So Vellore Fort is a dash. What is that? Vellore Fort is a invincible fort. It is an invincible fort. It is surrounded by what? It is surrounded by moat. Moat means what I told you. Deep lake or deep river like that. And moat is the home of what was living there in the moat? Thousands of crocodiles. It was feared by whom? The raiders of the fort, who waged war against the king living in that fort. No, they all were feared because of the moat and the crocodiles in it. This fort is good example of what? So this fort is a good example of military architecture. So learn to ask question, and from the question you try to get one word answer so that the entire sentence will stick in our mind very well. So we should learn to ask question, and that is very important. That will help us to remember the answer in terms of sentences. Without asking question, it is not possible to memorize everything in words. It is studded with what? So it is studded with double fortifications. What I told you, inside a kind of decorations and outside it is decorated differently. So this is why it is called, it is studded with double fortifications. And what is the name of the temple? So what was there around that temple? Water, no? What is the name of, what is it otherwise called? Water? Jalam. So Jalakanteshwara temple. Jalakanteshwara temple. And what are the other things inside the fort? What are the other religious places inside? Church, mosque. Okay, these are the worship places. And what are the other things present? Museum. And then lots of government offices were there. Church. So temple, church, mosque, museum, and government offices were there inside the fort. And last question, what are the names of the five mahals? Okay, how many mahals were inside? Five mahals were inside. So what are those mahals? You can easily try to recollect what I told you already, no? Tipu hides whom? Begum, no? Tipu hides Begum and gave her what? Badusha and candy. So Tipu Mahal hides, therefore Hyder Mahal. Begum, therefore Begum Mahal. Tipu hides Begum in a Mahal and gave her what? Badusha. Badusha is a candy, no? So Badusha and candy. So Badusha Mahal and Candy Mahal. So it's very easy to remember by this way. So these are the five names of the Mahals inside the fort. Hope you understood. It's very clear to you. So if you like it, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time in question number 2 of the long answers. Thank you very much.